Hey there, it's Aviva from Elementor. In this lesson, we'll learn how to install Elementor's lightweight theme named Hello, create the pages for our website, and add a navigation menu. As you may know, every WordPress website requires a theme. WordPress comes with its own theme pre-installed, and there are many other themes you can choose from as well. The Hello theme by Elementor was developed to be fully compatible with the Elementor website builder. It's free to use, fast loading, and always kept up to date, so it's ideal for any website that uses Elementor, including this one. Let's install it. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New. In the search bar, type in Hello. Click Install and activate it to change the theme to Hello. The Hello theme comes with a free header and footer when used together with the Elementor plugin. That's right, free. To make sure the header and footer option in Hello is enabled, go to Elementor, Settings, Experiments, scroll down a bit, and verify that Active is selected for header and footer. And don't forget to save changes. Great! We'll get back to the header and footer a little later in the course. Now let's create the pages for our website. We'll need 3 pages for this site: a home page, a Contact Us page, and an Our Menu page. Hover your cursor over the Page tab and select Add New. If it's your first time adding a page on this site, you may see a WordPress welcome pop-up. Click anywhere outside the pop-up to dismiss it. Add a title by typing in Home. Click Publish, and publish once more. And that's it! You've created your first page. Next, we'll add the Our Menu page for the restaurant. Click here to go back to Pages, and click Add New. Type in Our Menu for the title, and publish it. And now for the last page. Add it. Call this one Contact Us, and publish it. Great! Now go back to Pages. This is where you'll find a list of all the pages on your website. You can see the 3 we just created here, as well as these 2. Wait, how'd they get here? Well, every new installation of WordPress comes pre-installed with a privacy policy page and a sample page. If you hover over any page, you'll see several page editing options. Click Trash to delete the sample page. I'll also go ahead and delete the privacy policy. However, it's always a good idea to have a privacy policy in place, so it's up to you to decide if you would like to keep it and update it with your own policy, or remove it altogether. Fantastic! Things are really moving along, and now that we've created our menu pages, we can create the website navigation menu, which we'll be using in the header, so that visitors can effortlessly find their way around the website. To get to the menu setup, go to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name, and click Create Menu. You should see links to the 3 pages we just created, as well as an extra default custom link. In the event you don't see the links here, select the pages from the left side and click Add to Menu. Delete any unwanted pages by expanding the link and clicking Remove. Then click and drag the links into their proper order. Click Save Menu, and just like that, we're done creating our navigation menu. Okay, we've installed the Hello theme, added the website's pages, and created the navigation menu. In our next lesson, we'll learn the basics of using Elementor's drag and drop editor to build your website. See So be sure to keep watching